Hello guys, welcome back. Like I said, we are going to add color to this. So now let's just start with that. So go to your shading. So scale that out like this. Let me see what we have. So this is it. So now let's just put our reference back here. Come here. Then image editor. Then click on this. Since we have loaded it already, so it should be here. So you just put this one down. Yeah. So the body, since we use the same one cube, so this is how we are going to do this. Just press like this, then select this inside. So select everything that has black, that have to do with black color. So with your shift selected, sorry, let me add this key back so that you can see what I'm pressing. Okay. So now it is select this to just shift. Oh, I think it's not showing on edit mode, or what's happening. Okay, it's showing now. Okay, so select everything that has to do with black. Yeah, this one too. Yeah, I think this and this. Okay. Oh, sorry, like I made a mistake there. So let me try to select again. This is so the problem of using loop cuts. Okay. Okay, select here. This place. Select this place. So select everything that have black. Come here, don't forget here too. So I think that's all. From our reference, that's all. Yeah, that's all we have to do. Then the door. Forget the door. The door. Okay. What next? Nothing. I think we are done. Yeah. Okay. Okay. That's all for the first cube. So you can just click here. Come down here. Let me scroll down. Okay. Scroll down. Oh, what's happening to my mouse? Mouse wheel. Okay. Sorry. Then click assign. Oh, sorry. Before you click assign, click the material. Then click on assign to assign that. Assign it. So then after that, you have to add another one and create new. So this second one will be for the other body. So you press Ctrl I in order to highlight the other bodies that are not selected earlier. So you can see that every other body will be selected. So this will be the orange. If you check the door too, the door is not highlighted because we've highlighted that one the other time. So others, so you can just come here, then assign this for the second one. So now let's go out of that. Then we know that this is black, so you can remove this, rename it as black. Sorry, black. Then remove this, rename it to orange. So just come here, then right here, select black, let everything be black. So let's just reduce. No, we don't have to. Let's just leave the roughness like this. Then that's all for now. So that's all about that one. So you can select the other bodies. Oh, we made a mistake. Yes, because the windows, this is what I'm trying to say. Just come here, select this, then select where the window is, then delete that face. You have to. Yes. So we have to be seeing that inside view of the window. So that's why it's a window. You have to be seeing the inside view. So that one carries any color, and also this carries white color. So let's just select this, then create another material here. Click this new, then assign. Then you can just choose it as white, and as you can see, this actually look like a light, like there is an emission. So you can just name it white emission. The reason I'm naming like this so that I won't be able to forget when I get to where I want to use them. So just come to this orange, then come here, then trying to find that color. Yeah, so let's just do some things. Oh, should we reduce the okay? I think reducing it will make it better, and you can increase the because the body has to be metal. So you can just increase the metal a little bit, and you have this. So what else do we need? So let's just come here, the third one. So on the third one, we are going to do some settings here so that it can emit. So just come here first. Come here. Then, okay. Come to your render view here. Then click a boom. So this boom, what this boom is doing is that once we add the light, we let the light be boom. So just check it here. This is a sample of what I'm trying to say. Once I click this, you will see that there will be more light pointed on this. Like it's emitting some light. Did you see? Did you see the difference? Check this out. Check this out. You see? You see that? Do you notice that? So that's what I'm trying to say. Just click that. Then come here. Yeah, come to your. Then with this one selected, come here. Instead of principal, you are not using this. Just come here. You are using emission. So another way to do that is, let me control say that. Okay. Delete this. Another way to do that is delete this, then shift A, then search for emission, PM, then connect it to your service. If you connect it to your volume, it might not show anything. See, so just connect it to your service A, then come here. So it's not like it's light, it's kind of orange too. Orange. Let me just increase that. So you can increase the strength from here, or you increase the strength from here. So let me increase the strength. So for me to see that clearly, let's put this on. Same word. So let me increase that a little bit. So it's like it's not showing very well. So let's just turn the same word. So that will be, we have a dark word. So like I said, we have a dark word. So let me try to increase that strength. I think it's okay. So let's turn it to like that orange. Yeah. Okay. For example, me and I think this is okay. So there is another light coming in from inside, and how to do that is press or shift A, then come here and add the point light. Okay, let's go back to layout here, then move that light up, then move it to this side, then it has to be inside of, okay, it is inside already. Then duplicate that with your shift D, move it along S axis, then so increase the strength, come here, then increase the strength. Let's increase it to around 100 watts. If that is not too much, and we have to check that out. Yeah, it's in light, same word. So let's check that out. Okay, so I think it's not showing. So I think that 100 is not lighting. So let's turn it to like 500 watts. Yeah, you see that it shows now. So using 500. So after that to 500, let me just try to turn it to, let me turn it up a little bit, 600. So the same thing, let's do the same thing for this one too. Okay, then 600. Boom, that's it. But I think this, the gap between the window here is kind of too much. So let's try to adjust that on this. So let's just reduce this. Okay, you're going to reduce it like this. Also, yeah, reduce it. Yeah, so you can increase it here. this scope. Delete this one, then bring this Shift D, move it on X, then we have this. So we have that. Okay, the next thing we are going to do is we are going to give this a color. We have color white there. So come back here, add new, then put it on white. So you have a white already. So you can just try to turn down the roughness, or you let leave the roughness very full because this has to be a wood or something like that. And there's a line between that. I've forgotten. Add a line. So just put this on X 90 degree. Scale it on X also. Very tiny line. Then scale it on Z. Go it up. So bring it to the floor like this. Let's check that. Then to the middle, up, scale it down on Z. You have this. Way down. Then let me check. I think this should be fitted here. Okay, just scale it on X a little bit. Scale it down. Yes, this one once. Yes, just duplicate, move it here, and pull it at the middle. So don't forget, add the same material, add that white, or we've forgotten to name that. Then come here to add the same material. So that's all. Okay, we have this black one to this, then the black outlines. So turn all this to, so you can just Ctrl J to join everything together. So we join this together. So Ctrl set that. Then come here. So since we have a black already, just come here and click on that black. So this is black. Then turn this to white. We have a white already. So just turn this to white. So the reason why the color L is not showing is that we have not arranged our lightning and everything. We've not set that one. So in the next video, we are going to do that. Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel.